everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is refreshingly simple. It's an idea, and it's something that you can apply to other formats as well. This is particularly nice on a classic gatefold. This is from my good friends at Association for Print Technologies, and this is it's just a brochure. Likely either was a handout or went in the mail. This is the back panel, so it's just got some boilerplate copy and graphics on the back. This is the cover, and this is an asymmetrical gatefold. So a classic gatefold has panels that fold in from both sides, and usually they're almost always symmetrical. Gatefolds are almost always symmetrical, and actually brochures in general are almost always symmetrical. And I think in designs, a lot of times we're looking for balance. And I love this concept of imbalance. And so what they did here is they have a little short panel here and a longer panel here. So all they did was shift the break in the gatefold so that it's off center. And I love this just little simple brochure strategy. And so I want you to kind of think this week about asymmetry and different ways that you can kind of create interest by shifting that balance. And so, you could do this with rolling panels. You could do this on a closed gatefold where the two left panels are shorter than the two right, and you can create kind of a little stepped edge. There's lots of ways to work with this kind of asymmetry concept, but I love this is just a wonderful little simple idea to have in your back pocket for kind of everyday projects. So this is on a 100-pound cover. This is scored and trimmed, like that's it. Simple, easy, low budget wonder. Wonderful little tip for you this week, asymmetry. So that's your 60-second super cool fold of the week, asymmetrical gatefold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, downloads, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.